How's it going, guys? Terry Rochelle over at Yonkers Kia. I'm here today to show you some really cool features on the new 2020 Kia Sportage EX model. First feature I want to tell you guys about is the power liftgate feature, which comes standard on the EX model. You could access it from a button on the trunk, or you can access it from a button on the key. Now, by accessing on the key, if you have any luggage or anything you have to throw into the car, it's much simpler than opening the trunk manually. You could open it up with the power liftgate. Easier access to throw everything in the car. The Sportage has huge trunk space. It comes with about 31 cubic feet of storage in the back, and if you needed additional storage, you can actually fold the rear seats down, making it about 60 cubic feet. Another feature I want to show you guys, which is actually a comfortability feature, is the reclining seats that Kia added to the EX Sportage. It still comes standard with the 60-40 split on the car, but now it also has the reclining feature. What that is the actual rear seat reclines. You don't lose any storage in the trunk space, but you're still allowed to be comfortable on the drive. There's plenty more to talk about on the 2020 Kia Sportage. If you guys need any more information, please come on down to Yonkers Kia, where respect is a two-way street.
Yonkers Kia